She forgot who she was. It's taken her years to rediscover herself, her lost self, the self that she thought she knew. As a butterfly flies by, it blesses her. It blesses her with this freedom of knowing herself. Never before has she been so open and free, so free to be, well, me, my unique self, no one else. I was always meant to be me. Sometimes in this difficult road of life, well, we forget. We forget that we can fly. We forget that we die. Death is not something that we're supposed to, well, get to safely. In life, we're meant to take risk. We're meant to fly. When we fly, when we decide that life is worth living, worth the risk of falling, worth the risk of death, then we really live. We really begin to start living. You ask me, why have you forgotten this truth? I'll tell you, well, most of us do. It's the way the world's been operating for a long time. But I've decided that I've had enough of that. I've decided, like the butterfly, I want to fly. Like the butterfly, I want to be free. Like the butterfly, I want to transform into me. I want to remember who I truly am. I want to remember to be me. Yes, me.